Okay, so it's 7:30 in the morning and I am starting to cook. This is it. I have to do something. So I'm going to start with two items. One is corn butter and the other are sweet potato wedges. Gotta use these things up. So let's see, 2 cups of cooked cauliflower. So I asked Alexa how to cook cauliflower, and she gave me a recipe I didn't want. So I try to use by memory. I think I know how to. I think I could just put a little water, boil it, put the cauliflower in there, and then let it simmer. So that's what I'm doing. So maybe I know a little bit of something, maybe. So that's happening. I'm supposed to do 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, what does that mean? Am I supposed to buy lemon juice? Am I supposed to squeeze the lemons? I don't know. So I took a lemon and I cut a wedge and I squeezed it into a bowl and then poured it into my tablespoon. Now it says, and so I got my 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I have a 1 teaspoon of miso paste. I can handle that. Although I couldn't find my teaspoon. I had all of these, but the teaspoon wasn't on there. But I found it. And then I need salt and garlic powder, which I have because I bought that the other day. So it's nice to have that in the pantry. And a pinch of turmeric, which I don't have turmeric. I'll have to get that. But it says blend until very smooth. What does that mean? Do I mix it in a bowl? Do I put it in my Vitamix? Do I use my new food processor that I haven't touched yet? I don't know. So I'm just going to blend it in here and see what happens. So stay tuned. How do you turn this thing off? How do you turn it off? There we go.